Let's think back to Dr. Sachs and our brains. We might understand how morphine works on opiate receptors in the brain, but how does music do what it does for all those people on the previous list? We don't swallow music like a pill or inject it intravenously. How physically does this work? I suppose Valentine's Day would be less romantic if, instead of giving candies or chocolate shaped like this heart, the candies or chocolates were shaped like our brains. But our brain is exactly where our heart, our core, our essence is. So, while we might say we love a certain song clasping our hands to our breast, we should probably be grabbing our heads. I am not a scientist nor a medical practitioner, so I aver to our expert, Dr. Dan Levitan, to walk you through the physical processes involved. Please see the reading assignments for this week. I can, however, speak to a diagnosis and treatment pattern in music as a therapy. Music therapists rely on the patients themselves to suggest the musical medicine they need. Therapists do this through a process called assessment. A patient is interviewed and a relationship is begun between the patient and the therapist. The licensed music therapist then designs a program of music, either performed live or recorded, for that patient. If a patient is not forthcoming with any suggestions for music, the website American Popular Music 1900 through 1950 is helpful. A link to this website is found on the course homepage. The music we listen to in our teen years is the music that is most likely to stick with us over the years. As our population ages, this website should be updated. For example, much of the music I remember from my teen years is by the Beatles, John Denver, Gordon Lightfoot, and other artists of their type. So we end this week where we began. Can music heal us? Music can be used to accompany and facilitate physical therapy, but as of now, I do not believe there is any music that can by itself cure a disease, although anecdotal evidence is found in our text. The Mozart effect often comes close to making that claim. I believe we must say that music does not possess the power by itself to heal all ills, but it can be a powerful component in relieving pain, inducing relaxation, and bringing about a mental state that is amenable to physical healing.